Hi guys, thanks for joining me. A few weeks ago, I gave one of these types of paws a try and have been wanting to experiment with it again. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I've already painted the canvas using ivory black paint by Artist's Loft. And now I'm creating something that I can use to pour the paint with. Although I notice most people seem to use what looks like a dustpan to do their pours. I just don't have one. Now, working on a level surface, I'm adding the colors that I want to use. Each of these paints is mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, so they are a fairly thick consistency. As you're layering your paints, remember to keep in mind, whether the color you're layering is a transparent color or not, and then give some thought as to whether that transparent color will show up on top of whatever color is underneath it. So, for example, if you layer a transparent red paint over an opaque black paint, then once the paint dries, you won't really be able to see that red transparent paint. You'll mostly just see black. It can be helpful to layer transparent colors on top of opaque white paint because that will help the color to show up against the white. If you look closely at your paint bottle, you'll see that it will indicate whether the paint is transparent, semi-transparent, or opaque. Now for the most fun part. Oh dear, do you see? I accidentally lifted it off the canvas. So if you're wanting a nice smooth edge, definitely keep whatever you're using to pour the paint with either directly against the canvas or, slightly above the canvas, but I wouldn't switch between having it against the canvas and then lifting it up. Otherwise you're going to get a bit of a rough edge like I did. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.